Lifetime GST AI, all for just $4.99. Yes, you heard it right. Just $4.99 for the cheapest and best AI, made only for GST litigation. With this GST AI, you get instant solutions to all your GST litigation problems. No expiry, use it anytime, forever. Correct, legal, fully researched answers. Based only on GST knowledge, so no confusion. No hallucination. Ask interpretation questions on GST. Ask queries from GST Council minutes. Solve your litigation issues in seconds. All at one place. All for just $4.99. Log in today and unlock the power of GST AI. Your GST Litigation Companion. Accurate, instant, affordable.
Generate by AI.
Tired of confusing and sometimes illegal GST answers from AI tools? Here's why GSTMagic.com is different. Answers are based on our researched book, so they are legally correct and not generic AI guesses. Query-based, not token-based. And no monthly expiry. Researched, affordable, unlimited validity and best deal. Our tool is built on a knowledge base taken directly from a well-researched GST book. Every answer is backed by law, circulars and case studies. Others charge monthly or token-based fees. We charge only per query and your plan never expires. So you get legally correct, reliable and affordable GST answers. GSTMagic is truly value for money. GSTMagic.com, your trusted GST AI assistant. Because GST answers should be legal, not guesswork.
Q&A का जो सेक्शन है ये वाला, ये फ्री है हमेशा। जो भी लॉगिन करेगा उसके लिए फ्री हो जाएगा। ये Q&A की खास बात ये है कि जो भी सवाल GST मैजिक AI से पूछा गया है उसका वो सवाल और जवाब आप यहाँ पर भी ढूंढ सकते हैं। जैसे अगर आप रूल 86 भी यहाँ पर सर्च करेंगे, वन वर्ड सर्च करना है, याद रखिएगा, सेंटेंस नहीं लिखना आपको यहाँ पर। तो रूल 86 बी से रिलेटेड जितने भी सवाल किसी ने भी पूछे होंगे वो सारे आ गए। तो ये जैसे सवाल किया गया था, व्यू आंसर, आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्चार्ज 100% टैक्स। अब इसको हम लोग प्रिंट भी कर सकते हैं, ये प्रिंट नहीं पढ़ते हैं इसको। ये रहा एनालिसिस ऑफ एक्सेस पेमेंट, ठीक है, गुड।
GSTMagic.com. The future of GST litigation starts here. Log in now. As soon as you log into GSTMagic.com, you'll directly reach the dashboard. Here, you'll notice 4 products available. In today's video, we'll explore the GST ebooks section, which unlocks once you've paid the subscription fees. Click on Explore now, and you'll see wide collection of GST books authored by Kaushal Kumar Agrawal. Simply select the book you want and click Read Now. A new reading window will open. On the right-hand side, you'll find 8 useful buttons. The first 4 buttons are for navigating pages, move forward, backward, first page, or last page. But the most important one is the matrix button with 4 small squares. When you click it, you'll see the entire chapter navigation of the book. This makes it super easy to jump to any topic, and you can even create your own bookmarks here. Another key feature is the search button. That's the second last one. Just type a keyword, and you can instantly search it across the entire book. So, with GSTMagic.com, reading and referencing GST laws become simple, fast, and interactive. Explore GST the smarter way with GSTMagic.com, your one-stop destination for GST knowledge.